Hi everyone, welcome back to Legally Yours. I'm here again with the lovely Martin Algie from MIA Law, but we're actually here today to talk specifically about MIA franchise lawyers and who that potentially could be for and what services they provide. So thank you so much for joining me, Martin.
Thanks, Karen.
So MIA franchise lawyers, talk me through exactly the types of services that you provide.
Sure. We're a specialist franchise practice, and so we work on both sides of the street.
Yes.
We advise franchisees and,
Yes.
we set up franchises and help manage franchises.
Okay.
In terms of franchisees, we advise them on getting into a franchise,
Yes.
which is critically important.
Yes.
You know, all of the problems in the press about franchising, we have seen most of those problems that are mentioned
Yes.
can be avoided by proper due diligence, and that's what we help with.
Okay.
We also advise and assist franchisees wanting to get out
Okay.
when that relationship becomes
Yes.
toxic.
Yes.
And we also
yes.
set up franchises.
Okay.
And so we work with new franchisors, and we just launched Amalfi Pizza and Pasta,
Okay.
and that is a new pizza franchise in Victoria, which will be going
Fantastic.
nationwide soon.
Love it, and I do love the fact that you've got such a breadth of experience across it. So you actually can, when you're advising the franchisees, because you've got the experience setting up, you know exactly, like you say, that due diligence at the beginning, which can be so important. You can understand the process and what to advise them on, which I think
absolutely.
is really, really crucial.
And maybe if I could just elaborate on that one point. What we're telling franchisees is
Yes.
to look at the value proposition that the franchisor is offering.
Yes.
And we unpack that for them.
Yes.
When we're advising franchisors and looking at, well, how much should you be charging for a royalty, for a franchise fee?
Yes.
We focus on that very same question.
Yeah, wow, okay. So so it's all tied up into one.
It's all
but
tied up,
just
absolutely.
whatever the side's looking at, which is
Yeah.
which is fantastic. So what sort of because you've worked across a really wide range of franchises, so right from hospitality through to professional services.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it follows the development of the industry, I suppose.
Yes.
There are, it's hard to put figures on it, but there are,
Okay.
most franchises would be hospitality, fast
Okay.
food,
Yeah.
restaurants, all those sorts of things.
Yeah.
But increasingly we see and have advised
Yeah.
professional services like accounting, bookkeeping, engineering even, human services, not human services, human relations.
Yes.
And increasingly also there's gyms and fitness.
Yes.
So all these new franchises, that's what we're advising
Wonderful,
on.
and you can provide them with the guidance. You can work them through the process on both sides and be that assurance.
But because
behind it.
they come in groups,
Yes.
you get to learn the industry issues.
Okay, absolutely. Well, thank you so much. And if you're a franchisee or a franchisor or you're looking to set up a franchise, Martin is absolutely the person you need to come to. So you can actually find out more about Martin at our platform at legallyyours.com.au, or you can head direct to MIA Franchise Lawyers and learn more there. Thank you so much for joining me, Martin.
Thanks, Karen.
you.